You just got your 2021 Jeep Gladiator, and the first thing you want to do is lift it and get bigger wheels and tires, which can change the accuracy of your gauge readings. Hypertech has the Speedometer Calibrator that will fix this and keep you going ticket-free. Lifting your Jeep and adding bigger wheels and tires can change the entire look of your ride. When you go up in tire and wheel size or install a ring and pinion gear set with a different gear ratio, your speedometer needs to be recalibrated to match. This is due to the larger tires changing the rotation of your wheels, and your Jeep's computer can't correctly monitor your speeds. Poor calibration can cause many issues, like the automatic transmission not knowing when to shift and speedometer readings being inaccurate. Navigating the Hypertech Speedometer Calibrator is simple. It has a user-friendly interface and a large backlit LCD screen for easy viewing. First, you plug the small white connector from the calibrator's harness into any open port on the green junction block. Then, plug the USB into the calibrator and the other programmer cable into the diagnostic port, and you are ready to start running the calibrator. Follow the instructions on the screen until you get to the main menu and navigate your way to the speedometer correction icon. You will need to choose custom tuning and can then customize your tire size and gear ratio. It is that easy. Finally, you let it run its course and are good to hit the road. The calibrator can correct for tire sizes 27.5 inches all the way to 40 inches, so you can go bigger than before. Or if you want to go down a tire size or two, the speedometer calibrator can do that as well. But what Jeep owner would do that? You can save your Jeep's stock tuning and reset it back to the factory settings. Once you are ready to return, you can reinstall the programming like before. If you are interested in purchasing the Speedometer Calibrator by Hypertech or looking to have one installed, check out our dealer locator below. And subscribe for new product videos every week. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on In the Garage.